To connect your Cash App to your earnings, start by opening the Cash App and loading your account. Once the app is open, it will display your account information. Click on your balance, located at the bottom, and then select the Direct Deposit option. From there, you will be given the choice to set up direct deposit, which can be done by either finding your employer or using your account details. To connect your earnings app to Cash, you will need to use your account details. Scroll down to find your account number and routing number, and copy both. Then, open your earnings app and look for the option to add your bank account. Click on this option, and then select your bank. You will be prompted to enter your banking details. So enter the account number and routing number that you copied from the Cash App. Once you have done this, your Cash App will be linked to your earnings app.